Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the official Roblox Murder Mystery 2 Discord server. So just load up Discord, and then near the end of your server list we want to press on the plus icon. Right here where it says have an invite already, we press on join a server, and this is what you need to type. So type discord.gg/ and then you type PNP, all lowercase letters, BB T, and then we have an uppercase letter Z. So PNP BBT uppercase Z, press join server. Okay, and as you can see you are taken to the Murder Mystery 2 Discord server, so we need to complete a few steps before we can talk. Read through these rules, check this, and then click on submit. And here it will require you to verify, so it will require Rover verification. You can check the pinned comment on how you can verify using Rover. I have a tutorial, and that's it. That's how you join the Murder Mystery 2 Discord server. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.